Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some gold and white room decor items. So what you're going to need from EFavormart, you will need some white iridescent glitter. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree you will need a vase, and if you can't find one that you like at Dollar Tree, you can use a thrifted vase. You will need 1 pack of the glass Votives from Dollar Tree. You'll need 1 pack of the glass Tealight holders, and you're going to need from Michaels 1 pack of the Goldleaf. Now I will be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project. If you need to make any of the components permanent, you could use something like E6000 or epoxy bond, and that will help to make the items permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I use any additional items, I will have those listed in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these gold and white glam home decor items turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Okay, but there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.